Number 1. 1969 Pontiac Grand Prix Model J. Price: $8,500. Located Riverside, California, USA. The 1969 Pontiac Grand Prix Model J is a well-maintained American classic powered by a rebuilt Pontiac 400 V8 engine paired with a dependable TH400 automatic transmission. The seller provides paperwork confirming the engine rebuild, adding confidence for prospective buyers. Finished in an attractive burgundy exterior, this Grand Prix offers a strong combination of classic styling and reliable performance. The vehicle has a clean title with current registration, and all lights and gauges are reported to function properly. It runs smoothly, performs well on the highway, and has no significant mechanical or structural issues. Showing approximately 1,234 miles on the odometer, this vintage Pontiac is an excellent choice for collectors, weekend cruising, or anyone seeking a dependable classic American muscle-inspired coupe. Number 2. 1985 Oldsmobile Delta 88 Royale. Price: $5,450. Located National City, California, USA. The 1985 Oldsmobile Delta 88 Royale is a comfortable full-size American classic equipped with a dependable 5.0-liter V8 engine and automatic transmission. Finished in an attractive blue exterior, this sedan offers smooth driving characteristics and plenty of vintage charm. The seller states that the car runs and drives exceptionally well, making it suitable for regular cruising or weekend events. It comes with a clean title and the paperwork required for a duplicate title application. With approximately 48,405 miles, this Oldsmobile has been maintained in good overall condition and has no significant reported mechanical issues. Buyers seeking a reliable classic sedan with negotiable pricing will find this Royale to be an excellent value for its condition and originality. Number 3. 1982 Chevrolet Monte Carlo G Body. Price: $4,000. Located Acworth, Georgia, USA. The 1982 Chevrolet Monte Carlo G Body is a classic restoration project with excellent potential for customization or a complete rebuild. This vehicle includes a clean title and features a hydraulic suspension setup with dual pumps and installed switches, making it an appealing platform for a future lowrider build. Although the car is not currently running and must be transported, it retains its desirable G-body chassis and offers a solid starting point for restoration enthusiasts. The vehicle requires rust repair, interior restoration, replacement door locks, and general project work. Showing approximately 246,000 miles, this Monte Carlo is ideal for buyers looking to create a personalized classic with significant room for improvement. Number 4. 1970 Ford Torino Brougham. Price: $8,500. Located Lewisburg, Tennessee, USA. The 1970 Ford Torino Brougham is a clean and solid classic powered by a dependable 302 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. This vintage Ford features front disc brake conversion, Pertronix electronic ignition, and white letter tires for improved drivability. The body remains clean with rust-free floors, while most exterior trim pieces are included in the trunk. Finished in white with a black interior, this Torino runs and drives well following a recent oil change. Showing approximately 42,500 miles, it offers an excellent balance between usability and restoration potential. It is an ideal choice for enthusiasts seeking a classic that can be enjoyed immediately while gradually completing cosmetic improvements. Number 5. 1972 Ford Torino. Price: $4,500. Located Greeley, Colorado, USA. The 1972 Ford Torino is a desirable muscle car project featuring the unique one-year-only front-end design. Powered by a 351 Cleveland V8 engine with an automatic transmission, the vehicle has recently received new carpet and rides on attractive 18-inch wheels with good tires. The engine starts and has previously run briefly but requires additional work involving timing, carburetor adjustment, and fuel delivery before returning to regular operation. The car remained stored for more than 25 years before being acquired by the current owner. Some rust is present on the lower quarter panels while the floor remains solid. This Torino presents an outstanding opportunity for restoration enthusiasts. Number 6. 1966 Pontiac Bonneville. Price: $7,500. Located: Dover, Tennessee, USA. The 1966 Pontiac Bonneville two-door sedan is a classic American cruiser offering excellent restoration potential. Finished in blue with a contrasting white hardtop, this vintage Pontiac is powered by a running V8 engine and displays approximately 14,331 miles on the odometer. The interior remains fairly clean, while the overall condition is considered good for a vehicle of its age. The car requires a replacement radiator before returning to regular road use, making it an ideal project for classic car enthusiasts. With solid styling, spacious design, and strong collector appeal, this Bonneville represents an attractive opportunity for anyone interested in preserving a timeless American automobile. Number 7. 1982 Chevrolet Silverado Classic 1500 Regular Cab. Price: $4,000. Located: Nicholasville, Kentucky, USA. The 1982 Chevrolet Silverado Classic 1500 Regular Cab is a dependable pickup that combines practicality with classic truck appeal. Equipped with an inline six-cylinder engine and automatic transmission, this truck starts easily, runs well, and has been used regularly for commuting and local driving. Finished in red inside and out, it offers a solid foundation for either restoration or continued daily use. The truck features a functional cargo bed and remains mechanically dependable despite having a cracked front windshield. Showing approximately 123,456 miles, this Chevrolet is well suited for buyers seeking an affordable vintage pickup with excellent project potential and reliable everyday performance. Number 8. 1984 Chevrolet El Camino. Price: $6,500. Located: Williston, Florida, USA. The 1984 Chevrolet El Camino is a unique performance-oriented classic featuring an upgraded LS-based 5.3-liter V8 engine with performance camshaft modifications. Power is delivered through a 4L60 automatic transmission, although the transmission currently operates only in first gear and reverse, requiring repair before full functionality is restored. Finished in red with a black interior, this two-owner vehicle presents an exciting opportunity for enthusiasts interested in modern engine conversions. The truck has already been paid off and offers excellent potential once the transmission issue is addressed. It is an ideal candidate for performance enthusiasts seeking a distinctive custom El Camino project. Number 9. 1968 Ford Mustang. Price: $5,500. Located: Colt, Arkansas, USA. The 1968 Ford Mustang remains one of the most recognizable American classics ever produced. This example features an automatic transmission, a clean white exterior, and a black interior that creates a timeless appearance. The vehicle has been fully paid off and shows approximately 87,280 miles. The seller is accepting offers, making this Mustang an attractive opportunity for collectors or enthusiasts searching for an affordable classic pony car. Its iconic styling, strong aftermarket support, and enduring popularity continue to make the 1968 Mustang highly desirable. Whether preserved as a weekend cruiser or restored further, this classic Ford offers outstanding long-term appeal for vintage automobile enthusiasts. Number 10. 1983 Chevrolet K20. Price: $5,700. Located: Plains, Montana, USA. The 1983 Chevrolet K20 is a rugged classic pickup built for both utility and off-road capability. Powered by a strong 454 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, this truck delivers impressive performance and dependable operation. Additional upgrades include a suspension lift, oversized 37-inch tires, and a useful toolbox that is included with the sale. Finished in gray with a matching interior, the truck runs and drives very well according to the seller, showing approximately 1,234 miles on the odometer. This Chevrolet offers excellent value for buyers seeking a powerful vintage truck capable of work, recreation, or future customization. Number 11. 1985 Nissan 720 Pickup. Price: $1,400. Located La Mirada, California, USA. The 1985 Nissan 720 pickup is an affordable compact classic featuring a manual transmission and dependable gasoline engine. This truck has received several recent maintenance upgrades including a Weber carburetor, new battery, fresh engine oil, fuel filter, and coolant lines. The speedometer functions properly, and the vehicle comes with a clean title and ownership documents. While it has a minor coolant leak, expired registration, and inoperative fuel and coolant gauges, it remains an appealing project for buyers looking for an inexpensive vintage pickup. Showing approximately 177,645 miles, this Nissan offers solid potential for restoration or continued practical use with additional maintenance.